Morning, guys, YouTube people, world, everywhere. Out here at my brother's house. Sorry for the wind. Out here in the Colorado. Got a Ram 3500. Needs a deep diesel DEF pump. Diesel exhaust fluid pump. Guess it's shot, so the truck only drives 15 miles an hour. Anyway, here's my money maker, my Raptor. This is when I lost my job for the railroad. This is what I came out and started my business. Built a glass / screen rack, big old tall thing. Anyway, my brother tried to sell this truck to a guy, and the guy never paid for it. All he did was trash it. Trash in here. Kinds of junk. Anyway, so my brother ended up going and repoing the truck. Repoed the truck because the guy never paid for it. The guy had it for like 2 or 3 years. Maybe not that long, maybe 2 years. Bunch of trash in here. So, a Makita charger. It's probably trash because it's been wet. Anyway, yep, this is what made me a bunch of money when I got fired from the railroad. Oh, F-150 V6. Awesome little car or truck. It still has Ling Longs on it. Bought these tires. These were the first run of Ling Longs that we bought in our household. And I couldn't even tell you how many miles are on these tires. I think the truck had like 160 something thousand when we put it on, and now it's got 230, 240. So I don't think they ever rotated them. This guy didn't. I did, but the insides are pretty bald. But got 80,000 miles, 60,000 miles on these tires. They're cracked. They're cracking. But they got a lot of meat left in them. A lot of meat. These tires still see the little wear marks. Anyway, I just wanted a little flashback to 2017 when I got fired. Yeah, so I'm out here with my brother's old Trans Am. He still has this G35. There's my Audi. Anyway, I'm gonna go show you guys his barn, his shop that he's building. Anyway, he bought this little skidster, little Bobcat S250, and it had all kinds of problems with it. Wouldn't idle up or anything. So if you guys got problems with your Bobcats or your little skid steers, and it has an EGR system, he put injectors, he did all kinds of junk to this thing, and it ended up being the EGR was all plugged up. So anyway, it's got attachments for it, I guess. It's got the little sweeper, bucket, auger, some other crap. There's this little bucket for it over there under the lift. Got this for his Kubota tractor, his rake. There's some auger attachment crap, forks for the skid steer. Anyway, this lift he's just borrowing from a friend to do everything. And that's his little Kubota. Hey man, let's go in here. Freaking pretty big, man. So I think it's 40, 10, 20, 30, 40, maybe those are 12 foot spans, 12, 24, 48. Yeah, that sounds right. 48 by 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But I don't think these are, I don't know. Those are 10 footers. Those are 12s. So 12 foot spans, 12, 24, 36, 48, and then these are 10. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 30. I don't know. Anyways, I think it's 48 by 60. It's 14 foot tall. This door's, I'll say that door is 10 foot and this door is 12 foot. So he's got one of the panels is all kind of bent up and smashed, and he's had a lot of problems with Menards. He bought this kit in Menards, and then he did they shipped it, all kinds of crap, problems, wood warped, wood dried, crack split, and he's been doing this for a little over a year. He's looking for me right now. He's over there in my car going, where's he at? Little does he know. Okay, he's looking around for me. Anyway, yeah, he had all kinds of problems. They're refunding him money, you know, and they keep refunding him money because he has to keep buying stuff locally because he bought this kit, whatever, out of Cheyenne. And windows came all broken, doors were smashed, the man doors I guess were smashed and twisted, I don't know, but yeah. So anyway, he's waiting on more parts and more stuff, and the county won't come out and inspect stuff because of the COVID stuff, so he's just doing it all, and he's doing it all himself because the companies that are doing these, they're backlogged because they can't get permits and they can't get inspections. So anyway, pretty big shop, man. But I'm gonna go out there so he's not going crazy looking for me. And yeah, just want to do a little update where I'm at out here in Colorado. Be heading to Utah tomorrow to maybe start work, maybe not, I don't know. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, do what you guys do. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for commenting. And stay tuned to all my videos. Check my playlists. See if there's something there that interests you. All right, guys, see you on the next one. Later.